While 20-somethings are chasing quick wins, I'm making $150,000 a month in affiliate marketing at age 53. Here's 5 reasons why experience beats energy every single time in this game. Number 1, the wisdom advantage. Life experience isn't just about stories. It's honestly about understanding human behavior and needs at a deeper level. Something usually younger marketers just often miss. Now, older affiliates intuitively grasp pain points and aspirations across diverse demographics, typically making their content more relatable and persuasive. And this wisdom allows for more effective niche selection and product recommendations, leading to what? Yep, higher conversion rates and long-term trust. One of my favorite quotes is, "How much better to get wisdom than gold?" And I believe that's Proverbs 16:16, I think, but let me know down in the comments if that's right or wrong. Number 2, building trust and authority. A perceived maturity often translates into immediate credibility, as audiences tend to trust advice from someone with a visible history, like gray hair, of course. Decades of navigating life provide a natural ability to communicate authentically and build rapport, a cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. Now, this established authority makes audiences more receptive to recommendations as they see you as a reliable and experienced guide, not just another salesperson. We gotta love those. Number 3, leveraging your network. Years of connections means access to a ready-made audience, friends, family, former colleagues who already trust your judgment. Great example of that is the new venture I'm starting with Rewards Health and the partnership around medical tourism and stem cell therapy. I've got a great audience existing around me already, and because of my age, a lot of family members, past coworkers back when I was in corporate America that trust my judgment, trust the credibility behind me being a pharmacist, whatever experience that you have, but they trust that what we're moving into with this stem cell project and be able to help them with their longevity and quality of life. Speaking of that, I'm going to leave some information below if you're interested in coming on board or looking into a really cool health type of affiliate program. I've got one for you, and you can schedule a call with us. You can also do your own health assessment and see if that's something, especially if you're familiar with the stem cell research that's going on in Joe Rogan and the popular clinic south of San Diego in Mexico. But either way, your existing social and professional circles are a gold mine for initial traction and genuine testimonials, accelerating your growth in most cases. Now, the ability to tap into established networks, both online and offline, provides a significant head start compared to building an audience from scratch. Now, although this channel is small, since I do have that existing network, right, I'm able to leverage that much easier, and I don't have to rely on, again, as a young one would have to do, is completely building a new network, a following, etc., on a YouTube channel similar to this one. So again, age gives us that existing experience level and relationships that we have developed around us from years prior. So a very, very awesome advantage, in other words. But let's get on to number 4, strategic content creation. Now, life's varied experiences, of course, right, provide an endless wellspring of unique angles and relatable anecdotes for compelling content. And you can speak to specific generational pain points and solutions with authenticity, resonating deeply with niche audiences. And the ability to craft content that transcends fleeting trends, focusing on evergreen value, and ensures long-term relevance and semi-passive income. And last, and most importantly, in my humble opinion, is number 5, patience and persistence prowess. Age often brings a greater understanding of delayed gratification in the long game, crucial for the iterative nature of affiliate marketing. You're less likely to be discouraged by initial setbacks, possessing the resilience to adapt and optimize strategies over time. This inherent patience allows for consistent effort and continuous learning, ultimately leading to sustainable success and a more robust affiliate business. And this is absolutely spot on, because when I started my RX business, basically RX discount card business with thousands of affiliates around the country, I had to start with one. And being, again, an older gentleman when I started this business, right, and not expecting things to happen overnight was critical. Because yes, that one turned into two, and then three, and then before you know it, those affiliates started compounding. Okay, and this took some time, but I was patient. And then, of course, then it started accelerating and compounding, leading to massive figures basically a month. So patience is absolutely critical. So being an older individual and getting involved in the affiliate marketing world or getting involved in business, entrepreneurship in general is going to be your absolute superpower. But anyway, check out some of these other videos too, and they might give you some inspiration. But remember, no matter what, you got to put in the freaking work. Peace be with you, and I will see you on the other side.